morning, everybody. I'm meteorologist Bo Dotson. It's December 30th, 2022. Don't forget to sign up for the Weather Talk app at weathertalk.com. And then after you pick and choose the products that you want, then you'll download the app in the App Store. It's under Weather Talk. Let's take a look at satellite this morning, and we see clouds streaming into our region from the Gulf of Mexico. You can see this moisture feed all the way back to the Pacific Ocean. Widespread showers and thunderstorms to our south. That is helping to rob us a little bit of moisture. As we move over to the radar, we can see widespread showers and thunderstorms streaming northward into our region. So far, the heaviest rain has been over Missouri and Illinois. That's where it was forecast to be, with scattered showers over Kentucky and Tennessee. We will see a bit of a lull this morning, and then additional showers will develop this afternoon. I do have concerns, though, that this heavy shower and thunderstorm batch to our south, turn off the lightning, that this is robbing us of some moisture. Now, my going forecast on the blog was 3/4 of an inch to 1.5 inches widespread when it was all said and done by tomorrow morning. We'll see how that goes. The official WC forecast has been 1 to 2 inches widespread through the region. Either way, it's going to be a wet day into tonight, with the rain ending tomorrow morning. Let's take a look at some weather maps. And we take a look at the national weather map this morning. We see a cold front extending from Canada through Michigan into Illinois, Missouri, and Arkansas, back to an area of low pressure over the Texas Panhandle. And this is the reason we're having widespread showers and thunderstorms ahead of this front. Now, all of that will push off to the east tonight and tomorrow. We will have shower chances tonight, maybe a rumble of thunder, more likely just some rain. And the rain will come to an end Saturday morning as this entire system pulls off to the east. We'll watch another developing system in the southwest United States that will eventually produce an area of low pressure in the Central Plains, and it will race northeastward Monday and Tuesday, bringing us additional shower and thunderstorm chances. We can see here on the Sunday weather map, a warm front will extend across portions of Arkansas into Kentucky and Tennessee. The warm front will eventually lift northward Sunday afternoon and Sunday night, bringing warm, moist air into our region. Here's the big storm system that will wind up on Monday and Monday night, bringing us additional locally heavy showers and thunderstorms, and perhaps even a risk of some severe weather. We'll have to keep an eye on that. Let's take a look this morning at the NAM model and the Futurecast radar. We stop it here at about 6 a.m. and we see widespread showers and thunderstorms in a local area, and that does pretty much match what the radar is currently showing us. And so as we move through the day, we see the shower and thunderstorm activity continue to spread east-northeast. And again, we're going to have a bit of a lull later today as the precipitation breaks up and then redevelops tonight. Primarily over southwest Indiana, Illinois, Kentucky, and Tennessee. And then as we move through tomorrow morning, all of that will eventually pull away. We will have some spotty showers in the morning, but the bulk of the activity will have pulled off to the east-northeast. That leaves us with a dry Saturday night, perhaps some patchy fog, and then our next storm system takes shape as we move into early next week. Now let's go ahead and take a look at that next system. This is a system we've been watching for a while now. It's going to wind up in the southwest United States and then push northeastward into the Central Plains, dragging a cold front into our region on Monday and Monday night. We just move forward here and we can see the development of that system. We'll keep an eye on the low. The track of that low is key to our threat of severe weather. The EC model has it further south. The GFS is a tad further north-northwest. If it were to be further south and southeast, then our risk of severe weather will be higher, something we'll just have to keep an eye on. We stop here at about 6 o'clock on Monday. You see showers and thunderstorms developing as we move through the day, Monday afternoon into Monday night. And then as the system pulls off to the east-northeast, we will have a band of showers and thunderstorms move across the region. This is about midnight Monday night, Tuesday morning, and we see a band of showers and thunderstorms, what we would call a QLCS, a line of showers and thunderstorms with potentially some damaging wind gusts. Can't rule out tornadoes somewhere in the Mississippi Valley. Too early to know if that's a concern for our region. As we move a bit further out in time, we see the line moves completely across our region by Tuesday morning. Now, there are some differences on the timing here. Some of the data holds rain back into our region on Tuesday morning. Some of the data has it ending. For now, I put 40% chances of rain on Tuesday. We'll just have to monitor the trends in the guidance. Now, the Storm Prediction Center has outlined our region in a risk of severe weather for Monday and Monday night. They've outlined this for several days now. They haven't changed their outlook at all for our region. They did add a 30% risk zone down in Arkansas, Louisiana, and eastern Texas, but this area here has not changed for the past 3 days. It could change as we move into the next couple of days. I expect them to start fine-tuning this, and we'll see if we remain in the risk. I do have some concerns Monday and Monday night. Dew points will be in the 60s, and wind fields aloft will be strong. There will be wind shear, and if everything comes together as expected, I would not be surprised if we were to have a risk of severe thunderstorms Monday afternoon into Monday night and Tuesday morning. We'll have to work on the exact timing. This could be an overnight event, and that's a concern as well. We don't like severe weather at night, of course, and that's a problem. So let's keep an eye on this. We've got New Year's Eve coming up and New Year's Day. Let's not overstress on this just yet, but let's keep it in the back of our mind that we may have severe thunderstorms as we move into Monday afternoon, Monday night, and early Tuesday morning. I'll probably send out an aware email. If you're not on the aware email list, then message me over on Facebook. I'll also be on Facebook today with a thread. You can post your questions and I'll try to answer them to the best of my ability. Okay, so that's where we're at for now. We'll keep an eye on this. We do have widespread rain in the region today. This is the radar as of about 7:30 a.m. You can check the weatherobservatory.com website or the weathertalk.com website for the Bo Dotson weather radios, an assortment of interactive radars that you can use. Let me show you that real quick. This here is the Weather Observatory website. Now again, you can also find the radars on the weathertalk.com website, and I usually post them in the WeatherTalk app messages that I send out. But if you go to weatherobservatory.com, click on interactive radars, and here you can see all sorts of radars. We have Ohio Valley. You can click on that and it shows you the Ohio Valley radar. Regional, central U.S., a larger view, and you can drill down to your local city and note there's all kinds of options here. Winterize button during winter storms, rainfall, latest temperatures. You can see rotation, hail, storm tracks, a little bit of everything on here. These are interactive radars. There's also a GR radar on the website that you can utilize, that Jason Darnell runs for me. You can see that one. There's also a regional radar and a zoom radar which has storm chasers on it. You can also click on the watches and warnings on this one and see all sorts of information. So just go to the weatherobservatory.com website or the WeatherTalk website and you can see all of the radars and utilize those. I hope everybody has a nice day. Happy New Year. If I don't see you over on the Facebook page or somewhere else, I hope you and your family have a wonderful weekend. I'll keep the weather updated each day. I'll post video updates as well, and I'll send those out on the Bo Dotson Weather app. Just find that at weathertalk.com, subscribe there, and then go and download the WeatherTalk app in the App Store. If you have any questions, just email me at bodotson@usawx.com or message me on Facebook or Twitter at Bo Dotson.